Why Yahoo Finance is the best investing app. This is a video I wanted to make in a long time. In the main section we have the summary where we can see the chart of the stock, a small chart, and also the main info about our stock, for example the market cap, the P/E ratio, earning per share, earnings date, dividends, and much more obviously. There is also the daily fluctuation of stocks in the watch list. Every time we add a stock in the watch list, it will appear. For example, let's just say you are owning these 4 stocks here, and as you can see, every day shows how much they moved. The main thing I like the most here obviously are the news. News are fantastic here. You just scroll down and you find everything. In the top right there is the search bar where you can find any stock you want. Next section is the interactive chart. This is cool to look for the historical data, technical analysis if you want. Next we have also the conversation section. Here you can see bulls and bears fighting for the glory, so there will be so many different opinions here. Just try to stay away from this because it will affect you mentally. There are so many trolls there, just stay away from there. Next there are the statistics of our stock. Here we can find things like the valuation measures or the financial highlights, or even the trading information, stuff that you can obviously find in the annual report. This is just if you want to take a quick look. Always read the annual report, this is what I recommend. Use these sections if you forgot something and you want to take a quick look. Next section we have the historical data, where we can see all the prices. Also we have the profile of the stock. This is where you can see the main info. I started to use this a lot lately, so I recommend if you want to take a quick look at any stock, read the profile. Next we have the financials. I'll talk about this in another video. These are quite important of course, so we need to go a little bit more in deep. And then we have also the analysis, where you can see analyst's opinion. Just don't take this too seriously. Just compare your opinion with the analyst's opinion. I want to stress also the importance of news again, because I use the Yahoo Finance mainly for that. Scroll down and you will find everything that's insane. And also another app I recommend is Seeking Alpha. This is very cool because well-minded, skillful people will share their opinion with you, so just take a look. My overall considerations are use both of those apps and you will be fine. You don't need more than that. If you find something else, okay, but these two are awesome.